Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
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 Today we are wearing white clothes because we are little scientists.
Let's start. Okay. This is our soda dispenser apparatus. We're gonna test it.
But we have upgraded this.
We have upgraded
Yes,
our
cool.
system.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, cool.
Yeah, let's
Yes.
start. We have
Mentos.
Mentos. What is the secret of this experiment?
Pepsi.
The Pepsi contains carbon dioxide. Okay? The carbon dioxide is inside the liquid. When we open the bottle, then some of the carbon dioxide will fly away. Right, Christiana? And when we add Mentos, the carbon dioxide will escape. And this is what we're gonna see today. Okay? Yeah, let's taste our Mentos. One for you, one for you, one for you.
But this is gum Mentos.
Yes, gum Mentos. Yeah, yeah.
We will add Mentos in this.
In our apparatus. Yeah. Let's count. One. Aramalis, put Mentos. Three, yellow, put. Yellow. 4,
5,
6,
6,
7,
and 7.
7. Yeah, let's put our machine.
It's very cool. I open it.
Look. Yeah. We're gonna install our machine on the Pepsi can, Pepsi bottle.
Yes. See, the carbon dioxide has escaped.
It has escaped, yes. Well said.
Yes. Thank you. Like this. I beat you. Yes, like this. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Let's put it like this. Let's put this one here.
Yes.
This one here.
This one here. This one here. Can we?
This one here. And this one.
Very good. We need the plate.
Yes. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Open it. 1, 2.
Wow!
Wow! How cool is that?
Very cool.
Can you see?
Yes. Cool.
Cool.
Very cool. Very, 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 very cool. Yes.
Christiana?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. How cool is that?
Very
Eh?